Everyone, welcome back once again to the Blind Pig YouTube channel. As always, I'm your host, Jason, and today I am making a drink for the first time ever. I've had the drink, I've enjoyed the drink, but I've never made it, so I figured, hey, why not try it for the first time on camera and just see how it goes. And I'm also adding an ingredient to a drink that I've never done before either, an egg. Can I just do an egg in these trying times? Well, how about an egg in your drink? We're making the whiskey sour, so let's go ahead and give this a shot. I've had them, I've loved them, I've enjoyed them, never made them. At least never made them with an egg for sure. Let's try it out. So we're gonna go with 2 ounces of our bourbon. For this one I'm using Buffalo Trace, one of my favorite go-to mixing bourbons. Kind of hard to find right now. Hopefully that'll change over time. So we're gonna start out with 2 ounces of our bourbon of choice. Three-quarters of an ounce of simple syrup. I know I've mentioned before, some people like to make their own simple syrup. I'm sure it's a little better. I don't go through enough simple syrup that it makes sense because it only lasts for a brief period of time. I use the bottled stuff. I think it's fine for what I do. We're going to do 1 ounce, this is our sour element, of lemon juice. This definitely I prefer using fresh, always. I know they make bottled lemon juice. Whenever I can, I'm going to go fresh lemon juice though. It makes such a big difference, especially in a drink with this much. Alright, about perfect there. And then, for the tricky part, an egg white. Tricky for me because I got to keep it separated here. I could screw this up and ruin the video. Let's see how it goes though. So you only want the white. I got to keep the yolk out. There's my dog in the background you can probably hear, making an appearance. Alright, I did a pretty good job there. Let's set that down. We're going to dry shake this. The point of dry shaking, which means without ice, is you want to emulsify your egg. It's a tough word to say, but you're going to emulsify this. You're going to shake the crap out of this for about 10 seconds, really hard. You have a timer below. Hopefully that was 10 seconds or thereabouts. Oh yeah, looking nice and frothy. And now we're going to wet shake it, which just means with ice. This is going to add our chill, and then also as well, it's going to, using the ice to kind of agitate it as well. All right. Nice frost here on the glass. Tell I had a good seal there, it was a little stuck. And we're then going to strain this into our glass. We're using a rocks glass for this one. Oh, that looks delicious. You'll start to see, I believe, if I'm correct here, the egg white will start to separate and kind of add a layer of foam on top. Yeah, it's starting to already. And for a garnish, I've got lemon, orange, and a cherry to pop in there. Probably should put that on top, but hey, whatever. There we go. Let's give it a taste. Oh, that is fantastic. I am definitely going to have to find some more drinks to make with egg white. So look for more of those in the future for sure. That is really, really good. I'm glad I made that and tried that out. So thank you for watching. Please be sure to subscribe, like the video, leave a comment below. Let me know if there's anything else you'd like to see in the future. Thanks for watching.